Coming up, Martin wears a hat. Curtis doesn't wear a hat. And Harry wears a hat. Hi, and welcome back to part 4. As you can see, it's rather cold in the workshop as I have about 7 layers on. Anyway, let's see what happens. Plan A, B, C, and D at this point is to fix all 5 of these, spread evenly across here, mount them down, and then bend the wood round it, getting it wet and drying it off, and it's going to stay in that curved position and be perfect. Maybe. Probably our first attempt and fail. Let's do it. Well, it hasn't completely bounced back yet. Now it might. There is some curve, but there's not a lot of curve in there at all, is there?
Well, how's about we put the ratchet straps around that way?
All right, gents. We'll start with the middle one.
Well, it's bending a lot easier. That is flexed a lot easier. No pressure there.
Almost needs something a little bit more there.
It says pizza, but not a margarita or a Hawaiian. See, I can read drums. Shall we leave it then? Leave it.
I'm telling your mummy. I think that might go, Ido.
Right, are we ready for this?
Okay, let's see what happens.
What's going on here? Yeah? Tied around the fire extinguisher.
Kurt thought he'd booby trap it for us.
Yes, too. Oh dear.
That didn't sound too promising, did it?
Did something go? Was that it going crack?
Yeah, as I loosened this, that's gone.
Does it?
Yeah, just popped the...
Oh. Yes, it has. What about these then? That's Meatloaf says. 2 out of 3 ain't bad.
Let's see.
I'm not sure he was talking about this though.
Meatloaf, well known for his wood bending.
Oh, this is fun.
Is it?
No.
So we've soaked it, we've heated it, we've glued it.
Yeah.
What more does it bloody want?
So the bit that you fitted is alright. And the bit that I fitted is alright. And the bit that Curtis fitted.
In fairness, I fitted it with him, but yeah. Curtis, if you're watching this, you're fired.
So how's about we put some mitre bond on it?
Yeah.
And just hold it there for 20 seconds.
Yeah, now you're talking my language.
And then we'll give it a go at that.
Loads of it though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can we also put like a couple of blobs on here, just because I'm not 100% trusting?
Speed and efficiency! Speed! Oh, hey, here we go.
Too slow.
But spray it quick.
Yeah, before it takes my face, you mean?
So are we going to just hold it and push it, or are we going to do it all professionally and clamp it down and stuff? Hold it and push it then.
Well, pencil. Oh. And measuring tape.
Oh.
No, actually, I think I've got the measuring tape.
I've got pencil.
Teamwork. How exuberant are we going?
Very.
Why don't you come out easier? Hey, at least it's not a struggle.
There you go.
Right, something like that. Have you pulled it up at all? Let's go there.
Yeah. Go on in.
Right, tell me when you're ready to get your face out of the way. So why do we mess about with all that wood glue in the end?
Something to do, wasn't it? Pass the time of day.
So plan A, B, C, D didn't work, so we're now on to plan F. So as plan A, B, C, D, E, F and onwards didn't work, now let's try plan G, which is to route lines into the back of the 3mm panel and then try and bend it using water again.
13, 14, hang on, I've got to take the other shoe off now. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, that's it. I can't count any more than that. Digits now.
Digits.
On your hand.
Yep, trap my fingers in that.
You've got boo-boo.
Boo-boo.
You want me to kiss you better?
Yeah, and my fingers. Big battery, little battery?
Big battery.
Nah, I outvoted you. You got 2 little batteries. Right, I might as well time lapse this bit because otherwise it's going to be a very long video.
Yeah. Ooh.
Okay, so now we've routed all this out. The next plan is to get it wet. And hopefully that'll encourage it to just separate a little bit. To just bend a little bit without cracking. Here's the plan. Probably still got a long way to go yet.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with more water.
Go on in. That is, yeah, that's getting better. That's getting a lot better actually.
So does it fit?
No. Not even if I wanted it to.
I think it's a bit tight.
Yeah. Oh, hang on.
Oh,
that's better. Obviously there's something in the wall there. There's a pin in the wall.
a bit tight at the top as well.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm happy with that. That's all right.
But what about the window?
Oh, we'll do that when it fits.
Hi, so I've popped in today, it's Sunday, just to try and get a couple of bits done on this before we continue doing the siliconing. as unfortunately whilst we're siliconing the vehicle we can't have more than one person in here because it gets a bit wobbly. So plan with this is we've sanded off any rough edges, we've painted over it with a bit of Hammerite that should hopefully just prevent it from rusting, and then we're going to carpet this area and try and make it look a little bit pretty. So I'm going to do that for you now. Thank you for watching part 4. As you've seen, we are nearing completion on this phase of the build, and the next episode is potentially the last one. Thank you very much for following the build. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, please like and subscribe.